Snoring not only robs you of the rest you need, it also robs those closest to you. You both wake up tired and often feel irritable and sluggish during the day. We can help eliminate the vibrations we call snoring by providing you with a custom-fit anti-snoring mouthpiece. Anti-snoring mouthpieces are made by taking an accurate impression of your mouth so it fits perfectly. It will position your lower jaw slightly forward to prevent the soft throat tissues from collapsing during sleep and obstructing the airway, which causes snoring. Your anti-snoring mouthpiece may take a couple of nights for you to become perfectly comfortable, but it's a small price to pay for a good night's sleep and to wake up completely refreshed. Ask us today how we can help you get a great night's sleep.